Uh-oh, Spaghetti-O. Is your toilet running and running and running like this one after you flush the toilet? I can't tell you how many times this has happened. I'm at Mother's house and it's just continuing to run, and I'll talk to you about that in a minute. If you want to fix something like this, stick around. It's only going to cost about $10. Really? Now you see this? The water's all the way up to the top and it's flowing over that little tube and draining, and it won't stop. And you might think, hey, I'm not going to spend $10. I'll just adjust the fill valve. Well, this particular fill valve is over 20 years old, probably 24 years old. I'm surprised this lasted this long, and you should be able to adjust that. Now, did you hear that? It just kind of stopped by itself. This thing is intermittent, and you should be able to adjust this, and I'll talk about that in a minute. I've got to bring my tools in here, get my camera set up, and I'll be good to go. So be right back.